Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fund Naira in your Betano account. You can do this with OPay, PalmPay or Kuda as long as they support Betano funding. So to fund your Betano account with Naira, here's what you have to do. Open your Betano app. Click on the profile icon and you're going to copy your username because that's what you use to fund Betano account. You can't use number. You use only username. Go to OPay. You can use Kuda or PalmPay depending on your bank app. Click on betting. Click on more. You're going to search for Betano. Click on it. Now instead of number, what you have to do is to input your username. My username is elvico221, as you can see right here in Betano app. Make sure your username is correct and click on the amount you want to fund. I'm just going to go with 100 Naira. Now go back to your Betano account. As you can see right here, I have funded my Betano account with 100 Naira. So that's how you deposit Naira in your Betano betting app. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.